Dashboards summarize numbers, but visual maps reveal where and why things happen. With story.mapog.com, we create an interactive visual map that transforms data into strategic insight. Imagine managing a coffee chain with dozens of cafes across the city. Instead of relying on static reports or spreadsheets, you can use MAPOG to visualize every outlet, sales trend, and competitor location in one interactive platform. Start by going to MAPOG and click on Create New Map. Choose Store Mapper as the story template. Give it a title like Coffee Chain Map, and write a short description, and click on Save. Next, go to Add Story and select Add by uploading CSV, then go to Select Point and then click on the new location type, then give a title and add color. Then select Feature Type as Point and click Add Attributes. Here, you can categorize each cafe on the basis of their turnovers, and assign competitors. You can select the attributes type and click on Save. Then, select the new point type from the drop-down and then upload your cafe data in a CSV file, then match all the Excel columns precisely and compute the points on the map. Once uploaded, you'll see all your cafe locations appear on the map. Click on a point and select Edit Point Details. Then, add attributes such as customer ratings, top dishes, images, text, and numerical information. You can fill in these details with relevant numbers, descriptions, and visuals. To make your map visually appealing, click on Add Style Layer, and customize icons and labels. You can customize differently with style types like basic, bubble, category, etc. You can use icons and give them colors, also customize on the basis of turnovers. For example, use red scale to showcase monthly turnovers. This helps you instantly spot patterns in areas needing attention. Once your map is created, click on Preview and Share. You can keep the map private or public. You can share by clicking on Add User, then assigning their role as a viewer or editor, and selecting roles as admin or others. You can share with members via their respective emails. When added, click on Invite. You can also share by copying the link. A visual map like this doesn't just show data, it tells a story. It helps teams collaborate, plan smarter, and make data-driven decisions based on location intelligence. For support, email us at support@mapog.com.